What's going on, guys? Digital Den here, and here are 5 ways you can use smart plugs in your home. Number 1, you can use your smart plugs to turn your dumb light smart. Simple. Simply plug your light or your lamp into your smart plug, connect it to your home assistant, and bingo bango, you have a smart light. Simple. Number 2, you can use them for fans or heaters or dehumidifiers. So if it's blazing hot in the summer and you're absolutely boiling as hell, you can schedule your fans to come on before you even go to bed or go in the living room or whatever. Simple, might be stupid, but sometimes useful. Number 3, using them for them hard to reach sockets in your house. So everybody's got them sockets that like tucked away behind a sofa, behind bed, them kind of things. So if you use a smart plug and you want to use your plug on your socket, there we go. You can just simply plug your smart plug into the hard to reach socket, and then it's just a tap on your phone, or it's just going to be voice from your home assistant. Number 4, you can use it for home security. Yep, a simple plug can be used to make your house seem safer, even when you're not there. And number 5, now this one goes out to those of you with kids or teenagers. So you can use, it's got a plug, you can use it on your Wi-Fi, okay? So you've got your kids and they're not listening, say it's time for dinner or it's time for bed, and your kids aren't listening because they're too busy stuck on their tablet or the phone. Simply disconnect the Wi-Fi. Thank you guys for watching. That was 5 ways to use smart plugs in your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you like it even more, click subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.